The BC extension identifies a Borland C++ source code file containing C++ programming code from the Borland C++ development environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you edit, compile, or migrate these C++ source files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the BC archive, even if it can't fully extract it. BC files are C++ source code files associated with Borland C++ Builder and Turbo C++ development environments. They contain C++ programming code, including class definitions, function implementations, and header references for application development on the Borland platform. Borland BC files are plaintext C++ source files following standard C++ syntax with potential Borland-specific extensions, including VCL component library references, GG property keywords, and Borland pragma directives. They compile with Borland C++ or compatible compilers. The specific reading module for BC files is provided by Borland C++ from Borland Software Corporation. Windows is unable to interpret the specific configuration values within the file. Windows may show the code, but executing it requires the matching scripting tool. To correct the file's application assignment, right-click your BC file and choose Open With. Check for Borland C++ and test it first. If it's missing, select a different app. The key to access is finding the right tool. When your BC file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here is a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the BC file is refusing to open. First, opening and editing. Open the BC file in any modern C++ IDE such as Visual Studio Code, CLion, or the original Borland C++ Builder. Modern editors provide syntax highlighting IntelliSense and code navigation for C++ files regardless of the original development platform. Next, compiling the code. Compile BC files using Embarcadero C++ Builder, the successor to Borland C++, or adapt for modern compilers like GCC MSVC or Clang. Remove Borland-specific extensions such as property and VCL references when porting to standard C++ compilers. Finally, migrating to modern platforms. Rename BC files to CPP for universal recognition. Replace Borland-specific library calls with standard C++ or cross-platform alternatives. Port VCL-dependent UI code to Qt-WX widgets or standard Windows API for modern cross-platform application development. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.